My name is Micah and I'm 8 years old, and I have a brother and my dog Barry who's sitting there right now. Those are my dogs fighting. And that one's Lucy. While this video wasn't, on, we filled up these spring pots. Let's get gardening. So we're starting with the tomatoes. This is the soil we got. This is how you do it. So you take it, put it between your fingers, and flip it upside down. Then it will just, maybe if it's stuck, give it a few pats. And then it comes out, and then just dig a little bit, and stick it in. And just do that, and boom. See, you can have the tag out. It's really easy. Sometimes you gotta take some off for it to grow better. So that one was ready to go. So okay, put it there. Put this there. And it's good. Yeah. Gotta be careful with plants if you wanna have them grow good and taste good also. You can also use spring pots, maybe like a lower gallon spring pot to fill a different gallon spring pot. For example, you can put a little dirt there, like before. Put a little dirt there. Put a little dirt there. Put a little dirt there. And then just put the rest in. Under the layer. Put that there. Just rub it around. Make sure it feels loose. The dirt's loose, but not too loose. Sometimes plants could grow awesome with others, like lettuce and tomatoes, or basil and tomatoes, or something like that. So, yeah, this is lettuce. So, I could put it somewhere here. I could put it here. Just put it here. And make it grow. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Thank you for watching and subscribe.